the end of the dial tone. Radical Experimental Collaborative Music Band, or the TEODERECMBC. We're going to go ahead and start off tonight with Steve McAllister is going to read, and then we're just going to go and do whatever we feel like doing.
This is the end of the dial tone. This is the end of the old ways. This is the beginning of music, as the rhythm of our souls finds time with the beat of our hearts, and our minds let go of all we know in favor of the mystery of flow.